Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this Bedlore Fluffy mattress top cover. Now, I do want to thank Bedlore for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a mattress topper, queen size. They do have multiple sizes, but I'd say obviously get the one that fits your size. And essentially how it works is that it's a mattress topper that wraps around your bed, and it's breathable, it's soft, it's washable as well. It's very comfortable. So after having used this for about 2 nights, I'd say it's pretty neat as far as just making sure that old school mattresses, the ones that are hard, especially like this one here, where it's pretty hard, this one just gives it an extra layer to just make it more comfortable, especially if you want soft lying mattresses. In addition to that, it's got nice support as well. And if you're worried about it, let's say making you hot at night, it's got a nice breathable cover. So I didn't have any problems with actually laying my skin against the mattress cover just because it was actually made of breathable material. So as far as how it came, the instructions say to take it out of the bag, and it'll take about 1 day to actually fully inflate. As you can see here, it's inflating just because the bag that it comes in is fully compressed. And in addition to that, just make sure that you unfold it completely and before you use it, just because you want to make sure that it's to its full fluffiness, I guess, before you actually go ahead and use this mattress topper. But overall, I'd say if you're looking for a really neat way to go ahead and just make your mattress comfortable, this would be a really good option. I guess my only concern with this mattress thus far though was it was kind of tight on my queen size, but I rather prefer it that way just so it stays snug and fit. But just make sure you get the right size if you do decide to get this, just because you don't want it to be too loose. And I did notice that sometimes there would be so underneath my mattress cover, you can kind of see like the curls underneath the mattress cover. It's not so bothersome. So imagine like you're laying on your bed like this, where there's like a flap. You would just have to flatten it out underneath to kind of make sure that it's smooth and you're not laying on like an extra layer. So sometimes it would fall, but that's the point of it just being really tight. But yeah, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.